This is a 60-second guide to replacing the front display glass on a MacBook Pro 17-inch Unibody. Power off the MacBook and unplug the charger. Remove the battery if present. Ground yourself with an ESD wrist strap and work on a clean, static-free surface. Remove the 8 hinge screws at the display assembly and open the lid carefully. Disconnect the display data and camera ribbons using a plastic spudger. Apply gentle heat around the glass edges to soften adhesive. Slow, even passes. Use suction cups and thin picks to lift the glass frame evenly. Clean the frame, remove old adhesive, and inspect the LCD for damage. Apply new adhesive strips, align the replacement glass, and press firmly. Reconnect ribbons, resecure hinge screws, and reinstall the battery or bottom case. Power on and test the display and camera. Check for gaps or lift. Wait 24 hours for adhesive to cure. If unsure, consult a professional repair technician.